let's talk about Pawpaw and what we are doing currently at the farm on our pawpaws. This is a male pawpaw. Have you ever seen a male pawpaw? So a male pawpaw has such, and on the farm we have quite a few of them, or would I say many of them. So this is Mbovi Farm. Thank you for coming by on and stopping by. It's been a long time since we were here, and I would like to give you an update of how the farm is doing and what we are doing currently. And if this is your first time, please like and share our videos, and also don't forget to subscribe. So we have Popo in Mbowe Farm, and you can see they're flowering. I was hoping to have about 1,000 stems before the end of the year, but I'm slowing down on this. So we are doing purpose on drip irrigation, and we are also going to water them differently this year. And we are going to intercrop them with maize for the season, for the rain season. So we're going to do like an intercropping with maize, and I'm going to share the video with you in the coming weeks. And our purpose are really they're fruiting quite well because we are doing good watering system. We've added our manure, the variety was right. So in Popo, like the step-by-step guide to success is to make sure that you have the right variety. You've done your seed selection very well. Your soil is well, and you've dug nice holes before planting. Then you plant your trees. You make sure that your watering and fertilization program is quite good. You see how big and huge the fruits are, and also you do your pruning maintenance. So we're going to also do like pruning of the dry leaves, and also mulching, so that we make sure that the water that we did is not getting what is it called, evaporating. And you see how big these purples are, and the variety is very nice. So we have the Kalina variety that is that fruits when it's still young. We have sunrise in here, and there's also a mixture of local pawpaw that I got from a local farmer. So after the pruning, we also have like you'll need to know your market. Make sure that you know where you're going to sell your pawpaws from. Right now we are harvesting quite a lot on a weekly basis, because they don't all come ready at once. So we have like a weekly income for our pawpaw. And as you see, the space is quite we have like nice space that we can intercrop. We are going to intercrop this with maize in the coming season, and we are going to do like irrigation using sprinklers. So that is going to be fixed in the coming weeks. And we are doing sprinklers because we are adding our well. There's a video coming up this Saturday that we will be digging our well and increasing the capacity of the well. So this is just me showing you like the pawpaw. We have nice fertilization that is organic. So our pawpaws are organic. As you know, Mbovi Farm is all about organic farming. We've put our manure from the kettle, and the pawpaws will like double their production this year. The best part I like about pawpaw farming is when you plant the trees and you maintain them well, the fruits will just be coming and coming on a weekly basis. So you'll get like a variety of harvest on a weekly basis, which is amazing. And most of the pawpaws are right now are fruiting. They have quite many. Some of them are carrying even over 20 fruits in one stem. So, and this is because of the good rains that were there in December, um, and also the watering. So we have like almost over 20, some 10, between 10 to 20 fruits, and you harvest about two fruits in a stem, and we have about 500 stems. So you do the math and see, and one pawpaw is going for Is it, let me see, it's going for $0.5. So it's not much, but in Kenya shillings, it's going to work for us. And we've also done our ndania. This is the other section. So it has ndania, it has pawpaw. This is the sunrise. That's like a male pawpaw. So you also need male and female pawpaw. This helps with pollination and to make sure that your pawpaws are pollinating each other nicely. So this is also a male. There's a variety, or there's a supplier that I got my seedlings from, and the supplier mostly their seeds, and I'd seen on social media, their seeds are mostly male. So I will not even buy from them again. So yeah, in the coming if I want to increase the farm, I will not buy pawpaws from them. So these were planted later on, and this is just like a pawpaw that has been here for over, I think, 4 years now. It's not local, it's F1, but now you see it has developed several stems, and all the stems have pawpaw, and it's too large. And here we have our trial banana, our first trial banana, which is doing quite awesome. I will be showing you that in the coming videos. And we have another that has not fruit, and this is where we put our nurseries. So we currently have uh, Caliandra or Ndania on our nurseries. And yes, that's just the space and the update about what we are currently doing at Mbuvi Farm. I know we've not been posting videos, but we are back, and we are back with a bang. So if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do. Mbuvi Farm is a place where we talk about sustainable farming, mixed farming, and anything about farming in between. We have our cabbages, we have our cucumbers that we are staking already, and we're going to bring in our onions in the coming weeks. Easter holiday is all about planting and taking videos. Thank you so much for visiting us today. We love you. We appreciate you. Please don't forget to put that like button and subscribe to our channel for our support. And let me know on the comments what farming you're doing and what you want me to cover in our next video. So please just put it on the comment section, and I'm going to see that. Our cucumbers coming up again awesomely and ready. And then we have our cabbages that we're going to give them about 60 weeks. Thank you.